Hi, I'm Mrs. Hancock, and I'm going to show you how to log into Edgenuity and check your progress. So first you're going to start off by typing into the URL bar www.edgenuity.com. I don't want you to type it into the Google search bar because sometimes it will bring you to the wrong website. So then you're going to click on Login and then Student Login. And we're gonna pretend that my name is Wendy Brown. So it'd be Wendy Brown, my first and last name, at usd475.org. And then your password will be your student ID number. And then of course you want to save it so that you can get to it easily, but for this I'm not going to do that. Sometimes some of you will end up with a blue dot in the middle of your screen, about right here. And when that happens, it's usually because you just went from something that you saved earlier and there was a glitch or an update. So you need to remember to go into the URL bar and type in Edgenuity and then hit enter and go from there. All right, so now that I've logged into Edgenuity, you see what course I am taking. Right now it's AP English. So then you're going to click on this circle with the rectangle on the inside, and it's going to take you to your course map. So what the course map does is it shows you all of the lessons that you have coming up that you need to do in order to complete the course that you are enrolled in Edgenuity. And it also tells you how much time it should take you to complete that task. So every Friday you're going to have to download your course report. So you're going to go, after you go to course map by clicking this, you're going to go to course report. So then your course report is actually, it's going to show up at the bottom of the screen. Let's see if I can get it so that you can see that part. No, so it's actually going to drop down, put a drop down window just below where my cursor is. And so you're going to click on that. Let's see if I could get it to open. And here is your course report. So what this is going to tell you is it's going to give you your relative grade. So this spot right here that I've highlighted is your relative grade. That is the grade that I look at the end of each quarter. So if your grade is below passing, below 60%, that means you did not pass the course, and that is the grade that I will submit. It's your overall grade divided across all of the activities that you have to complete in order to complete the course. And then over here is your student progress. So on Fridays, you're going to go to this course report and you're going to download it. And it will open it into a Adobe or PDF file. So then you're going to save this file and you're going to drop it into your Schoology folder. Okay. So this is what you need, and this is what your parents are going to be asking for, because it will also show them when you've logged in, when you have attempted your online course, how much time it should have taken you, how much time it actually took you, and then your score. So let me take you through that last part one more time. So once you log into Edgenuity, you're going to click on this circle with the rectangle box in there, and that's going to take you to your course map. Once you get to the course map, you're going to go over to course reports. You're going to click on your course reports. When you click on that, it's going to drop all the way down to the corner of your screen, and then you're going to click on it, and once you click on it, it's going to open up the report. So then you're going to take this report and you're going to download it by going to the arrow with the line underneath it, and then you're going to take that and put it inside of your Schoology, upload it to Schoology, and that needs to be done every Friday without fail. If you have any questions, please send me an email, ask me during your Zoom class. If you don't have a Zoom class and you're doing Twilight School or tutoring, just send me an email or ask one of the teachers to help you out and they'll get a hold of me. So thank you. And please go ahead and try this right now to make sure that you understand how it works.